everyone! Jump up and join in! It's time to...
Ready, set, dance!
That was a really weird dream freeze, but it does make me want to spin around and around and around like a washing machine.
You have to spin the other way too, Twirl.
I'm really spinning out.
Let's get the kid crew to break down all the moves for us. Jump up and get ready to get down with the kid crew.
Yeah! Woo!
Have you got your disco shoes on and your hands on your hips? Point your finger to the sky and pretend to pop a bubble like Ewan. Get groovy from side to side. Yeah! Can you dig it?
Christian is showing us the move, the wash. Wiggle your fingers in front of you. That's it. Let's add some groove. Woohoo!
Stand with your feet apart and bring your hands up in front like Alana. Make little circles with your hands. Add some hips. You're doing the rounds and round.
Let's finish with the spin cycle with Ariel. Bring your arms up to the sides. Don't forget to flick your wrists. Now spin, just like a washing machine. That's it, you're doing it.
Pop the bubbles.
Time for the wash.
Rounds and rounds.
The spin cycle.
Catch you on the flip side. Do you think I would make a good ballet unicorn, Twirl?
More like a ballet unit cat, Freeze. But yeah, why not?
I just need to learn the ballet steps first. Let's break them down.
Let's join Ariel in our unicorn ballet dance. Let's start with our feet together for our rises.
High on your tippy toes. Up and down we go. Now make a smile with your feet.
Point your toes in front of you and bring them back to first position. Point and close. Point and close.
Can you make a rainbow with your arms and sway from side to side? That's it, you're doing it.
Lift your knees high like Ariel on your unicorn princess, swapping feet as you go.
Now it's time to be as free as you can be. Listen to the music and make your own magical ballet moves.
You can point your feet so they sparkle like a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow.
You are doing a great job. You look just like a unicorn.
So sparkly and magical.
Wow! That was a good call. This is the best.
Yep, so yummy. We should learn to make our own banana smoothies. Let's get the kid crew to break it down. Do you want to learn how to make a banana smoothie?
Totally. Let's do it.
The kid crew can show you with 4 easy dance moves.
I'm ready.
Start with your feet together and then jump out. Jump them back together. Ewan is doing the banana split. Can you do it fast?
Looks like Hunter is getting his hands ready in front, making a chopping action with his arms one at a time. Now face the side and do the banana chop super speedy.
Alana's move is swirly twirly. Put your hands up high and whiz them around like a blender. Turn that blender on top speed and mix that banana smoothie.
Tap your knees twice, then clap your hands twice. Finish with a smooth move on each side. Tap, tap, clap, clap, smooth, smooth. Smooth moves just like Rome.
Let's put all the steps together. Banana split. Banana chop. Banana blend. Makes a banana smoothie.
Woohoo!
That's delicious.
Woo! Tennis is fun, but I really want to learn those dance moves.
Let's go to the kid crew to serve us up some awesome tennis moves. Let's learn some of Granny's new moves.
Woohoo! holding that racket and start with your feet together like I. Step, together, step, together. Double time. Add that bounce again now.
Game, set, granny.
Woohoo!
Now swing those rackets. Now sidestep. Great tennis moves.
The challenge is on, so serve up your best dancing. Ooh, Granny is good.
Yeah!
The pigs really got the moves.
And the horse. Yay! And the chickens.
Let's get the kid crew to break it down. Welcome to Barnyard's Got Talent. With the chickens. Stand in first position with your hands on your hips. Plie and point. Plie and point. Add your chicken arms for a terrific transfer of weight step. That's awesome.
The piggies have talent. Put your feet in first position and hands back on your hips. Now point to the front and close. Point and close. Make sure your heel is facing up to the sky and that your feet always come back to first position. That's perfect.
The horses have a great idea for a ballet step. Turn to the side with your feet in parallel and get your hands ready. Bend and gallop. Bend and gallop. You got it, the horse gallop.
Time to put the dance all together. Chickens. Piggies. And a happy horse. Woo! Yeah!
Woohoo! Goodbye, horse. Goodbye, piggy.
Oh, you cheeky little chicken. Being a witch, a skeleton, and a pumpkin all rock, but I still can't make up my mind.
Let's see whose moves are the coolest, and then we can choose.
Pig crew, break it down. Trick or treat, let's meet our boo crew.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Here's an idea. You should learn these spooky moves too. Knock, knock. Come on, join in. Knock, knock. Who's there?
It's I dressed as a cute little witch. She's doing the witchity wop. Start by slowly moving your arms from side to side. Now lean forward. That's right, lean forward and back.
Cool skeleton costume, Rome. Shake your arms in the air and lift one leg off the ground. Make sure you change legs. We call this the bouncing bones. Yeah.
Is that Imi dressed as a pumpkin?
Cut it out. That's so funny.
Jump up and down, moving your arms at the same time. Now try fast jumps.
This crumpet pumpkin is carving up the dance floor. Woohoo!
Knock, knock.
Witchity wop.
Bouncing bones.
Jumping pumpkin.
Knock, knock.
Thanks for watching. For lots more great songs, subscribe to Ready, Set, Dance.
Ready, set,